We're just trying to get gas to the engine. Moment of truth.
It went to fire up though, didn't it?
Yep. We got a leaky and
Fuel injector.
fuel injector.
It'll be alright. We can fix it. We can figure out what's wrong here first.
We're trying again. Now we're hoping it starts.
Wrong body's off. We gotta reset it.
Alright, so something's not right. Got a flashing check engine. Alright, so this is what happened. Explain it, Casey.
The heater hose broke. Well, the heater hose connector broke. It's over there. But there's a notorious for happening on these these older
They
models.
say they have the metal ones. I was just watching.
They do have the metal ones. I
Watching
put the
some
metal
videos.
ones on mine.
So hopefully this is a problem why it's shaking. So
I'm
we're gonna
sure it
replace
is. We gotta
We'll
clean
find
this
out.
up.
Here it is. We're gonna try it one more time. It seems as if all the shaking has gone away.